I would like to go to one of the most famous festivals in the world called Tomorrowland. It's an electronic music festival held every year in Wood Building, where of course there is music, fun, new friends, fireworks, dancing, leagues and people from many countries partying. Mm, its creation was in the middle of the decade of the 2000 when the brothers Manu and Michel Beers conceived the idea of creating this event in a place near the municipality of Boom, Belgium. The first edition of the festival was held on August 11th, 2005 in the Provincial Recreation Area Discord, where Armin van Buren and David Guetta County, among others, performed. The stage and the atmosphere are surrounded by decoration that simulate a world of magic and fantasy. The festival itself offers a variety of subgenres within electronic music.